everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in ChatGPT. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. In your web browser, click on the search bar and then type in the URL www.openai.com/blog/ChatGPT, and once you're done, click on the search button. Once you do so, you should end up in the main page of OpenAI. Once you reach this interface, you will find a Try ChatGPT button. Click on it and you should end up in this page right here. As you can see, you are given two options here, a login button and a sign up button. If you already have an account, then click on the login button, and if you don't, click on the sign up button in order to create a new account. Once you've clicked the button, you should end up in this page right here. Add in your email address and then click on the continue button. And if you want to continue with your Google account, then you can click on the continue with Google button. Once you've added your email address, you'll have to add in your password. Make sure to choose a strong password so that your account remains secure. Once you're done writing in your password, click on the continue button. Now, a verification email should be sent to your email address. Go to your Gmail and then click on the verify email address in order to log into your account. Once you do so, you will end up in this page right here. In this page, all you have to do is add in your first name, your last name, and then your date of birth. Click on each slot and then fill up your information. Once you are done, click on the continue button. Once you're done with this step, you'll have to add in your phone number now. Click on the select button in order to select your country's code. And once you find your country, you'll have to add in your phone number. Write your phone number in the given slot, and then once you are done, click on the send code button. Once you click on the send code button, you'll be sent a verification code in your mobile phone. Once you've received the code, you'll have to add it to the slot, and then once you are done, you should be able to access your account. By doing this, your account has now been successfully activated, and now you should be able to chat with the OpenAI. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will surely be back with more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and goodbye till then.